All right, flash forward. We now have a new battery. How you like them apples? Would you looky there? Old tomato came out to play. So, little tractor doesn't work, and we know that. Skid steer works with the mower, but doesn't have a whole lot of power, and the hydraulic fluid gets really hot really quick. So I don't like that. I can only mow for a few minutes and then I gotta let it rest. I've been wanting to find a way to hook up my 3-point attachments to old Mater here for quite a while, because there's nothing. It's a tow bar. I've been kicking it around for years on how to do it. There's no room because the gas tank is right over the top of the PTO, and as it turns out, I was just making it too complicated. Over the last couple days, I've been kicking it around, and it's way more simpler than I ever thought. So it's simple as this. It's hard to see, I can't even show you with the camera, but their axles back there are 6 inches in diameter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a U-bolt, put it around the axle, bolt it through a piece of angle iron, weld the angle iron to a piece of this channel, slide one in on each side. Then I'll have a vertical piece. Sits like this, welds to that horizontal piece I just had in there. Then I'll have another piece of this on top here, above the PTO. That'll have a couple of plates to mount the top link. And I'll have another one, I think I have a piece of tubing that'll sit down on the hitch and weld to those verticals. They won't be vertical, they'll be slanted, because I need this lower one out further than the upper one. And that's it. Well, 6 pieces of metal, couple short chunks of angle, 6 or 8 plates, and some pins, and it's done. Famous last words. See if it fits. Not bad. There it is. Is this right? No, this is backwards. Oh, that made me mad. I guess it would have worked on the other side, but I gotta move you because I don't want to ruin the lens like I did last time. I say last time, several years ago. Let's put you right up here. I like that. I like the smell of that better too. Reminds me of 6013. Oh, there's one. Well, there they are. Uno, dos. They're just random length right now. I got to cut them off, but they're in. They appear to work. Almost out of battery, and I'm almost out of light. This camera makes it look like it's nice and light out, but it's getting very close to dark. So while you were charging, I drilled this hole through this plate, 1 inch thick, 1 inch thick, with a hole saw. A hole saw. Some of you, that may not mean anything. Those of you who've used a hole saw, you know what kind of feat that is. I only used one, and I didn't dull it. That is the meaning of patience. That's the meaning. Alright, so after some screwing around, that's where the bottom channel will be. I have to cut that line out, and then the bottom channel will slide into it and I'll weld it up. That'll leave a flat side on there. Drilled a hole. Look at that! Is it just beautiful? It's starting to rain, so I don't know how much this is going to be able to hear. But we're going to start assembly. It's going to drop right in here. Actually really close to square. Let's look at that. Oh, so nice. Welcome to the bowels of the shop. Come on. Oh, would you look at that. Bolt drops right in. Making the hitch plates for the lower 2 points of the 3-point. I'm going to have multiple holes so I can adjust it up and down manually, since I don't have hydraulics. If you're not running step bits, you need to. Alright, I spared you the hookup. Wasn't very excited the whole time. Things went flying. Fun was had. Anyway, this was all jacked up here. I didn't really measure. I measured, but I didn't pay attention on the back side of this pin. There's a nut so I can't get close enough to get both these holes in right here. So I put one hole in, and I have the plate resting on the other pin. So that's locked in. It's not more stress or less stress either way. That's actually some flexibility. It's actually probably better, because if I hit something with the front, it'll let it raise up quite a ways as opposed to just digging in. Of course, it would be a lot cooler had I thought of that and planned it. We've done it. One thing left to do. Let's mow some weeds. I got so excited at the fact that I had a mower and a tractor that ran. But other than that little clip of being in the tractor, getting started, I didn't film anything. But after all, it's just mowing. You saw the important part. Mowed this whole field. Now that we're behind the tree, you can see all the way to the front. It's all mowed. Gosh, it's nice. Never thought I'd get so excited to mow. Power steering killed me though, or lack thereof. Arms were dead afterward. Till next time.